Hey, Mr. Cleary's class, how you doing? It's Mr. Brian here, and I'm really excited to come into your classroom to share some of the things that I know about the squid. You know, the squid is a really exciting organism to look at. And what I wanted to do here is I just wanted to kind of introduce you to um, you know who the squid is, right? And get you prepared to look at it when we're looking at a lot of its parts and things like that, and be able to get kind of a picture as to how they use these things. Now the thing about the squid is it actually has these special tools, and we all have these special tools, right, that help us to survive in our environment, right? Our environment is a little bit different than the squid. The squid actually lives in the open ocean environment, all right, and so as a part of their body, they have special tools, all right, to help them to survive in their environment, in the open ocean environment. And these tools are called adaptations, all right? And so we're going to be looking at those adaptations tomorrow very closely. And in order to really understand, what we need to understand about those adaptations, really need to see, well, how do they use them in their environment? All right, so one of the things I wanted to do is I wanted to send along a couple of videos that will give you some sense of how the squid uses these adaptations in their environment. All right, and one of the things that you'll notice is when you're looking at it externally, just looking at the outside of each of these squid, you'll notice that they, well, let me show you. This is same with the squid, all right, and he's got these special tools, just like we all do, right? And when you look at it, if you look at it's got these things that are kind of here, but you may not know how easy to use them. It's got these things up on top here, these little things here. Oh, what do you think he uses these for? Right? Well, I've got the videos to show you, and I think you're going to get a better idea of how the squid uses these tools to survive in its open ocean environment. All right. So hopefully Mr. Clear will have some time to show you these two short videos. They're only about 3 minutes and 18 seconds, I think, to see them. And what I want you to do is I want you to take a few notes on those things. So when I come in, we can actually talk about them. We can get going right away talking about these adaptations. Okay, so I'm sending Julia in with a couple of index cards for everybody. All right, and we're going to use both sides of them. All right, two separate types of adaptations that I want you to focus in on. All right, one is, what are the movement adaptations? In other words, what helps them to move? That's called locomotion. I don't know if you know that, right? How animals move is what they call locomotion. It's where we get locomotive from, right? It's a kind of train. All right, so one will be that. It'd be movement. All right, so on your card, movement. Cool thing with that is I'm looking at the mirror image, I think, of the camera, so you can't see it backwards, right? All right, so think about movement. Now the other one is, what is it on their exterior that helps them to survive and thrive in their environment? All right, so that would be exterior. Also backwards. All right. The second video that you see with the exterior is an amazing thing, because if you see on this particular squid here, you've got these kind of like different colorations here. Those are actually, if you can't really see it, but it's really like these little spots on the top, and there's not much on the bottom. All right, but those spots, you wouldn't believe what they do. So if you gotta check out the video and see those things. All right, so I'm really looking forward to seeing you all with this, and I think we're going to have a really good time with the squid, learning about the squid, and hopefully we're going to extend some of that stuff so you'll be thinking about it even beyond the time that we have together. And I'm looking forward to it. So I'll see you then. Bye.